What's up to my friends out there? My name is Eve. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I really appreciate it. Today I'm going to be unboxing the May Ipsy Glam Bag X box. Now before I show you the box, I decided to do something different. I'm sick and tired of them putting the shipping label right out front, so then you have to stare at a blacked out shipping label. That's not cute, at least in my opinion. So here it is, the paper magazine that came in the box. This is a quarterly box for $55, and everything was picked out by Madelaine Petsch. Her character I saw on Riverdale. She has a badass character on there. Absolutely loved it. If you haven't checked out that show, I liked it a lot. Now, one thing that is underneath her picture is a thing that says, self-care is my superpower. I think we all should have that superpower. And then the other thing I want to shout from the rooftops, because this is freaking amazing. It says everything in this box is going to be cruelty-free. So 2 thumbs up on that. I'm glad she decided to do that, because that is an excellent thing to stand for. Now, let's go ahead and jump on the first item. This is something they picked out. So I'm gonna let you know if they picked it out or if I picked it out. So this is a clay mask. It's Dew of the Gods, and it says clay date on it. It is a pink clay mask, and I'm gonna go ahead and take it out so you can look at it as I talk about it. Here we go. So this mask is going to be $42. This is a mineral-rich pink clay mask, and they say it hydrates, heals, and revitalizes your skin. And I 100% agree with that. I tried it out. It left my skin hydrated. It looked clearer. My skin was happy with this. So absolutely loved it. Here's the mask. I hope that you can pick up the light pink color. And this reminded me a lot of my favorite mask, the Erno Laszlo mask, and this I think is like $10 cheaper as well. So really stoked to have this in my collection. Now the second item they picked. This is the First Aid Beauty, and this is the Ultra Repair Wild Oat Hydrating Toner. So this is going to be soothing and nourishing to your skin. It's alcohol free. And first off, to describe this, let me say I absolutely love the shit out of this toner. It has nourishing honey in it. It has hyaluronic acid, which is super nourishing for your skin. And then, I mean, with that alone, the ingredients are fucking awesome. That's why I love it so much. And I'm gonna go ahead and hopefully you can see this. I'm gonna have it dripping down my hand. It has a milky white color to it. It sinks right in. Absolutely adored this. And this one was $24. Now the third item they picked out for me is an eyeshadow palette. And you get eyeshadow palettes all the time, so you have to really impress me with it. And that's what this did. This is the Iconic London. And I'm going to go ahead and hold it up for you. And it says Sunset to Sunrise Palette. It is 62 big ones for this. It has 20 shades in it. It has mattes, shimmers, glitters. And I had so much fun playing with this palette. That is what is on my eyes today. And I'm doing a bit of a different look, and I really like it a lot. In the inner corner, I fell in love with the shade Mimosa over here. And then I put Moonlight on top of it. And that's the beautiful yellow color that you can see. This is going to be a fun palette to play with for the springtime and summertime. And of course, I got to give you the real deal on it. Does it last? I put it through its paces. I took it to work with me. And it lasted 12 hours in the hot, sweaty sun of me running my ass off as a server. So, you know, I gotta be honest with you. And I put every product through its paces. And this passed with flying colors. Now, another item they picked out for me. I have not tried this, so I'm gonna try it here for you. And this is the TYS Beauty Plumping Lip Treat. And this one costs $30. It has like an iridescent color to it. And go ahead and put it on and see if it burns, because some plumping lip oils burn your skin. And burning your skin or your lips is not good, because I've had that where around my lips it burns like hell. And I'm gonna put a good amount on. Now, as this sits on my lips, I'm going to say a few things about it. Like I said, it's plumping. It has peppermint. It has ginger root extract. It has nourishing B and E, and it's all natural. So as it's sitting on my lips right now, there is some burning. So do a slight little test on the side of your lip. Don't put it all over because the burning is pretty intense. My lips can handle a lot, so I can handle the burning, but people that don't like that feeling, you're not gonna like this. And this one, like I said, $30. Now we're going to the last item they picked out for me, and you get this brand all the time in subscription boxes. It is Wander Beauty. Probably when I already said that you get this in all the boxes, you probably guessed Wander Beauty. This is an item I don't mind having again. So I'm going to hold it up as I speak to you. This is the Wander Beauty Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil. It is $42, and I would not describe this as a face oil. I would say this is a makeup primer. It is really moisturizing, so I guess that's where the oil comes into it. And then when you read the ingredients, you hear oil. But I don't want you to put this on your skin thinking it's a beauty oil. It is not. It has the consistency of a primer. It's a liquidy primer. I'm gonna go ahead and show it to you. Hopefully you can pick that up. Now, the ingredients in this is going to be castor and black currant seed oil. It has niacinamide in it, which is going to make your skin glow in the long run. And it gives you a nice, nourished, glowy, light look. This is not going to be overpowering glowy. This is just going to give you a light dewy, which is nice. That's why I don't mind seeing this again. I think this would be my third one I have in my collection now. So I'm good for a while. Now we're getting into the items I picked out. I am so stoked because this is one of my favorite face masks for the nighttime. This is going to be the Ren Skincare. And this is an overnight recovery balm. I'm gonna hold this up for you. And this is very, very healing. Whenever my skin is pissed off or irritated and everything I put on burns the hell out of it, I break this baby out. I put it on and my skin feels 1,000 times better the next day, which is amazing. I have 2 products that do that for me. This is one of them. I will not be without this in my collection because it's that fucking amazing. Because I always do shit that messes up my skin and I pay for it. And this gets me out of the situation I put myself in. And this one is $52 because Ren Skincare is not a cheap one. And I'm so glad I got this and I didn't have to pay for this jar of it. You know what? Before I put it away, let me go and show you the consistency of it. It's kind of like a very light petroleum jelly. So hold that up so you can see it. But so stoked. I think that came across. Now let's get to the 7th item in the box that I picked out. So excited to see this name in the box, and I got to pick it. Soon as I saw the name, I jumped for joy because she's expensive. This is Sunday Riley Pink Drink. So stoked. Come on now, Sunday Riley. We all know how expensive this name is. This one is going to be Sunday Riley's Pink Drink Firming Resurfacing Essence, and it's $48. And you're about to see why it's called Pink Drink. It makes sense. Here we go, and here's the front label of it. And a thing I like about this essence is it has a sprayer, so it makes my life a million times easier. You spray this on, you pat, rub, whatever your thing is, and let me show you the sprayer. I'm going to attempt to show you. I don't know if you're going to even see this, but your girl's trying. Look how fine and pretty that mist is. I waste the product just for you. Now, things I like about this is the ingredients. It has 5 amazing ingredients. It has peptides, extremely expensive ingredient. The second one is going to be ceramides. The third one, probiotics. The fourth one, antioxidants. The fifth one, another one I'm so stoked to see, is going to be a vitamin-rich pink yeast extract. I love that in my essences. So absolutely winner, $48 with those ingredients. And the thing that I like that they said about it is that it's like an energy drink for your skin. I'm all for that. As soon as I read that, I giggled to myself. Now we finally made it to the 8th item that I picked. This I'm stoked to try because it's all over TikTok. And anybody that uses it, their skin looks amazing. This is going to be the Keys Soul Care. It's Let Me Glow Illuminating Serum. Has my favorite color too. Let me open this up for you. Come on, who doesn't like purple? Beautiful jar that it comes in. It comes in a little pumper. Now this one is going to give you glowy and hydrating skin. Those are my 2 favorite words. You can't get better words in a primer than those 2. Glowy, hydrating, yes please. And if I didn't say it already, $26. The ingredients in here. Ingredients are important for me. Number 1, rose water. It doesn't smell like rose. We all know I hate it. I don't know if rose water makes it less intense because I don't pick it up in this. The second one, niacinamide. So that's going to give you glowy skin in the long run. So it's going to give you long-term benefits for your skin, which is a plus. The third one is going to be gold pigment. That's going to give you an instant glow. So you're going to have long-term and short-term effects with this product, which I like. I want my skin to get better with my makeup. That's just something that I look for in a product, and I like that this has it. Now we made it to the end of the video. So all 8 items, my box was worth a whopping $326. I think I got my money's worth for only paying $55. Every single product in my box I absolutely loved. Tell me what your favorite was. Is it one I picked out? Is it one they picked out? Because to show you the value, right over here, let me go ahead and show you the palette we got in this. This over here was $62. So imagine buying this, them giving you $7 back and say, you know what? On top of that, we're gonna give you 7 amazing items. Who's not with that? I am so impressed with this box by Ipsy. I give it 2 thumbs up. Absolutely loved it. I think that came across. I had to say a line from my personal favorite movie, Lock, Stock, and Two Smoking Barrels. This box was a steal, a deal, a sale of the fucking century. I'm sure you agree with me on that. If you haven't checked that movie out, you gotta check it out. It's a funny British movie. Now, like I said, if you have time in your day, please like this video, say hi to me in the comments, subscribe to my channel because I appreciate all my friends on here because you guys love the real me and I love the fuck out of you for loving me as well. Now it's fur baby time. We're gonna go ahead and say goodbye to you so this video is not that long. Come here, Sugar Bear. Everybody loves my old baby. She's a little cranky sometimes, but here she is. Why don't you say hi, Miss Sugar Bear? All right, guys, love you. Oh, she has something to say. I love you guys so much. See you in the next one. Bye, guys.